Hello everyone, today I'm going to be revealing some sites where you can get early access to crypto airdrops. Yep, you heard that right. Getting free crypto through airdrops as easily as possible. But here is a kick. This site will show you how to get in on these airdrops before they even launch in the crypto market. Ready to find out how you can get some free coins, free money? Let's jump right in. You also know that crypto airdrops are the absolute free way to make money online with absolutely zero investment. Trust me. And that's why I have researched and come out with some list of topics that we will cover today. Now back to the main topics of the video. The first topic over here is what are crypto airdrops, and then we have why get in early, the reasons why you should get in the crypto airdrops early, and then the last but not the least one is some of the top sites that you use to access the airdrops very early. And some of these sites are AirdropAlert, CoinMarketCap, AirdropBob, airdrops.io, and Crypto-Airdrops. And then the very last one is some tricks and tips that you use for maximizing your airdrop gain. So you have to stick to the end of this video for this tip. Alright, to the first topic. What are crypto airdrops? Simply think of them as giveaways of cryptocurrency tokens or coins. They are typically done by new projects to promote their launch and get people interested. It is like a promotional strategy where instead of giving away t-shirts or mugs, they give away tokens, free money, for participants to withdraw or later trade with them. Pretty cool, right? Now to the second topic. Why you should get in the airdrops early as possible. So early birds often get the best worms to eat. So in this case, more valuable tokens. When you get in early, you are not just getting free coins, you will be getting a first step in the project before the mass flood in. And if you act quick, that mass crowd can be generated through your invite link. Plus, some airdrops have limited time, so the sooner you get in, the better your chances. It is now time we dive into the top sites where you can get early access to these airdrops. I will also be showing you some cool features each site offers, making your airdrop hunt journey way more easier and more efficient. So first up, we have AirdropAlert. This site is like your one shop for all latest airdrops with a friendly and user interface. Not only do they list the latest airdrops, but they also provide detailed guides on how to claim them. And get this, they have a newsletter, so you can get an update directly into your inbox, and you don't have to be constantly checking the site. Just sign up and you are good to go. So for you to visit this site and start checking out the latest airdrops, you have to head over to airdropalert.com. Next, we have CoinMarketCap. Now, most of you probably might be wondering, is this site not used for tracking cryptocurrency prices? Yes, it is. But did you know they also have a section for airdrops where they show detailed info about ongoing and upcoming airdrops, and even help you set reminders so that you don't miss out on them. So you can just go ahead and visit coinmarketcap.com or download the official app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. And then another fantastic site is AirdropBob. Now what I love about this site is that they rank airdrops based on user feedback. That means they rank the airdrops according to how the people talk about the airdrops, so you can see which airdrops are worth your time. AirdropsIO is also another amazing site for getting airdrops update. They offer a comprehensive list of active and upcoming airdrops, also with easy to follow instruction. And then lastly, we have Crypto-Airdrops. This site is also straightforward like AirdropBob.io and also has a good user-friendly interface, providing lists of current and upcoming airdrops. They also offer a calendar feature so you can keep track of important dates. It is perfect for staying organized. So just visit crypto-airdrops.com. Just to recap, each of these sites offers unique features that make finding and participating in airdrops a lot easier. From newsletter and reminders to user rankings and calendars, these tools will help you stay ahead of others and maximizing your chance of getting free crypto. Before I wrap up, here are the few tips and tricks to help you maximize your airdrops gain. Now the first one is staying updated. So staying updated, you just have to sign up for the newsletter on website that offers you that feature, so that whenever they drop a new airdrop event, you'll be the first person to receive an email about it. And then the second one is verify legitimacy. So you also have to check the legitimacy of an airdrop by doing your own research to avoid potential scams. And then the third one is using of multiple sources. Don't just rely on only one site. Use multiple resources or sites to cover all bases of your airdrop journey. The fourth one is to participate actively. Now, some airdrops require you to perform tasks like joining Telegram groups or following social media accounts. So be active and complete them to increase your chance. And mind you, some of these airdrops are the Tap Swap, Hamster Combat, Mimify, and the rest that are usually on Telegram. And then the final one is keeping track. So you have to use the calendar feature on the site like the Crypto-Airdrop site to keep track of the important date and deadline. So following these tips will ensure you are always in the best position to snag those free tokens as fast as possible. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you find this video helpful and that you are now ready to dive into the world of crypto airdrops. Remember, while airdrops can be a great way to get free crypto, always do your own research and be cautious of scams. If you enjoyed this video so far, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more crypto tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.